Transform your restaurant into a digital powerhouse with BistroBoost, the all-in-one platform designed to bring your business online with confidence and ease. Discover a variety of tools tailored to your restaurant's unique needs. BistroBoost simplifies every step of your journey to success in the food industry, putting powerful online management at your fingertips. Your online store open 24/7. Generate more revenue by selling directly through BistroBoost with no additional fees. From order placement to secure payments, you'll have full control over your revenue stream. Streamline both front and back-of-house operations for a smoother experience for your team, diners, and the business as a whole. BistroBoost integrates everything you need to run your restaurant seamlessly online. With BistroBoost, your restaurant's digital transformation is within reach. We bring all the tools you need for success online into one comprehensive package. Our platform offers a user-friendly admin dashboard, real-time order tracking, secure payment processing, and robust delivery options, allowing you to manage and optimize operations. Whether for dine-in or delivery, all in one place. Watch our demo to see how BistroBoost can elevate your restaurant. Explore how easy it is to create an online store, manage orders, track deliveries, and grow your customer base. BistroBoost is here to simplify restaurant management from every angle. Sign up today and transform your business into a seamless online experience for you and your customers.